Okay, this is Jill's puppies. This is a bicolor female. This is an apricot party male. This is, we call him a cookies and cream party because he's got this cute dappling on his face and on his paws, and he'll have some on his back. And this is another apricot party male, tan collar. And this is a bicolor, oh nope, tricolor party male. This is a female tri. Pink collar. This is another female tri. She's got a bit of that dappling like the other one, and you can see her coloring coming out. This one is a little bit more subtle with hers. Here is another female tri, and you can see her coloring coming out. And here's our last, and this is a male tri, and his is a more subtle tri.